Okay, now it's time to start cross promotion. So let's go into cross promotion. So here in the cross promotion section, we have two channels. One channel is the one that we have added, and another channel, it's from somebody else. Okay, let's click this channel. So once you click at the channel, you can see some additional information about this channel. These stats could be quite important when you're doing cross promotion. So number of subscribers is the total number of subscribers from the channel. As you can see right now, it shows zeros because, well, I mean, it's all testing channels. Posting frequency, total amount of posts per month, and we divide them by 30. If channel posts every day, you see posting frequency 1. If channel posts 2 times per day, you're going to see channel frequency 2. Okay, so average post view tells you how many views every post from the channel gets on average. Next, the channel engagement. So by the engagement, we mean 3 things: comments under the posts, reactions to the posts, and also the forwards of the post. And lastly is a last login. We show this information so you know, like, if user is active or not. We're going to send a request to this channel. So here we can choose the date and the time. Okay, the date, I mean, we can see we can choose lots of dates. I will choose today. The soonest time we can have a cross promotion, it's in the next 15 minutes. So I could launch cross promotion in 12:15, and as you can see, I can do the different durations. So the maximum duration is 24 hours of the cross promotion, but I can make it shorter. I can make cross promotion, as long as 1 hour. So just, very short cross promotion. Okay, and here I can choose one of the promo posts that we have created. As you remember, this was the second cross promo post that we made, and this was the first one. So we can choose whatever we want. Okay, let's choose the first one. I like the first one more. So, and here is the confirmation page, just to make sure that, to check that everything is correct. And please make sure you don't delete any posts yourself. All the posts are going to be posted and deleted automatically. So just don't touch them. Okay, so we send the request. And here's what's going to happen. The user on the other side is going to receive a request. And we can go back to our dashboard, and you can see here's the dashboard. Here's the information. The request has been sent, and the status of the request is pending. So the user on the other side is going to receive a request inside the Telegram. So he sees the information. This is the channel that sent the request. To learn more about this, he can actually go into the website, and there he sees the request. Okay, he accepts the request. But if you receive a request and if you don't like the channel that sent you request, you look at the information of the channel, it's like, okay, I don't like this channel. I don't like the information. You can actually cancel, or sorry, not cancel, decline. You can actually decline the request. Or if you think the time is not right for cross promotion, you can actually reschedule cross promotion with this channel. So, I mean, there are lots of things that can be done inside the Erzy. And once the request has been accepted, you also receive the notification on your Telegram that your request has been approved. You can also see the notification inside the website as well. So let's refresh. Okay, so cross promotion request to Indonesia trip has been approved. Okay, great. And as you can see, the status has changed from pending to approved. So we just need to wait for cross promotion to start. It's going to start in 6 minutes. I'll see you soon. So I just went away to fix myself a cup of coffee, and then while I was away, I received notification. So here's notification in our bot that a promo post has been posted. And let's go into our channel, the promo post. And to subscribe to this channel, we just press on this button. And this is our post already. This is the promo post of our channel. As you can see, we are in the website, and we received a notification on our website. and we can also see the status has changed from waiting to running. Okay, so cross promotion is running. So the duration of cross promotion is going to be 1 hour, and well, we just need to wait until 1:30 a.m. Okay, I'll be back when cross promotion has been completed.
1 hour later.
Okay guys, I'm back. As you can see, I received notification, and we also received notification in Telegram. So the cross promotion has been completed. As you can see, we see the results. So we gained 3 new followers. Okay, let's see on the website. Okay, the cross promotion has been completed. Okay, so now we need to rate the channel. So we can rate the channel with whom we did cross promotion. I think cross promotion was brilliant. So I'm going to give channel 10 points. Okay, brilliant, great cross promotion, thank you. And as you can see, the information has changed. So we have 2 subscribers received and 2 subscribers has been shared, given to the other's channel. So here we are in the history, and we can see the information about cross promotion. The status has changed. It shows cross promotion has been completed. If you think our service is awesome, please write about us in your channel, and we will share your post on our website. Thank you for being with us, and as always, do not compete, collaborate. Cheers.